Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a Christmas theme challenge giveaway hosted by Scrapinology, and her name is Gina. And so she wanted some snow and cocoa themed embellishments. So she had mentioned that she really loved the box that I made for Christmas in July, and so I wanted to send her one of these as an entry. So I made her one of these, and all this is a Dollar Tree box, and I just altered it like we do the embellishment boxes. And so that's what it is right there. I made a little shaker here filled with snow and then put a bow, added these two characters, and then right here I put a bird, and I forgot to stitch the bird in these a lot. I forgot to stitch all this side right here because I was very eager to get this done and wanting to make a video before the challenge is over, as I am running late since I took on way too much back in July, and so I'm barely starting to catch up with everything. And so here we are. So let's go ahead and get into it. All she wants is 3 sets of 2 embellishments using the Snow and Cocoa collection or something similar. So her giveaway ends on the 30th. So as you still have time, you can make something up, send it on over. All she's asking is for 3 sets of 2. So that's it. So as you open it, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to decorate everything in the end of the video with you guys. And then right here, I put a little pocket here to house the card. So I included a card. So let's go ahead and get into this. So first off, when I seen Christina make these hot cocoa mugs, that is KG Crafts on Instagram, she made hot cocoa mugs for Halloween. Right away I wanted to make some Christmas themed hot cocoa mugs, so I made these right here. And Scrapology Gina, she wanted us to do a very minimal dimensional embellishments, and that is very hard for me now. It used to be very easy, but since I've learned how to embellish very chunky, now the flat stuff is hard for me. So I did my best, my very best. I had some snow right here for the cream there, and then do you see that paper pad right there? That was a perfect as the cocoa. Look at those little dots, look like marshmallows. So I'm very happy with this, and hopefully she enjoys it. So as like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and embellish everything once at the end of this video. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and give her this little ornament right here that she can hang on her tree or in her craft room, wherever she'd like. So that's going to be there. And I made some of Charlie's embellishments that she created, something like this. And so this was like my last embellishments that I was making. I was thinking, what do I make? What is flat that I can make? And then I remembered, oh my God, Charlie, she made some of these, and I had these jars already. So I will link her below so you guys can see what hers look like. They're very pretty. She added so much snow at the bottom, but I didn't. I added snow, and then I added this pom-pom trim, the miniature pom-pom trim, and then added my scene in the middle, and then added this yarn right here. Well, this is ribbon for Michael's that I picked up, and I just added some hearts at the end. So I think these are so cute. Very fun and creative idea she came up with. And then I made some library cards, and this was the first embellishment I created for Gina. And I went ahead and made 3 by accident, so she's gonna have 3, and hopefully she'll be able to use the 3rd one. But this is what this looks like right here. Very flat. I try to do flat. Very hard for me to do, but I added a shaker with some tulle and just a little scene and a theme. And then, oh, Becky Long gifted me this punch. And you guys, this punch, I didn't know I needed this in my life. I really didn't until she got it for me. And this is what it creates. It creates different sizes as you can see. And I believe she picked it up at Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's a paper, not paper, but what is that brand again? Paper Studios. I think it's a Paper Studios one. So this is the first library card that I made. And the next is this one right here. Same scenario. I put a circle sequence embellishment back there with tulle. And then like this pulls out right here. I did glue these flat backs from Hobby Lobby on the back and then just added a center there so the glue wouldn't show. So, and then I did use the, this is Snow and Cocoa, believe it or not. It has a wood color paper. So that's the second one, and it does, you have to fiddle with it because of the hot glue, but it definitely goes in. And then I did cover the back so you wouldn't see the sewing or the stitching I made. And the next is this one right here, which I love. I love this little penguin. Oh, and Becky Long did give me some ephemera from for the Snow and Cocoa line. She did print it out, so it is digital. And she saved my life because I didn't have a lot of Snow and Cocoa because I used it all in the Christmas in July stuff. So thank you, Becky, for that. I love this little penguin. So she did gift that to me. And then so next I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up so I can package everything up with you guys.